The solution for this example, although we've got the 10% here, we can't really use it. If I do try and use it, so I'm going to say equals minus, look at the profit after tax multiplied by that 10%. When I click enter, you'll see it warns you that there's a circular reference, because it's basically whatever happens here affects here, but what happens here affects here. So there are ways to use it, but we don't recommend circular references. So we're just going to go and put that back to 0. So a better way to do it is, you'll see we've got this percentage of bonus to profit after tax, and I've just done a calculation to say this cell here divided by this cell here must give us a percentage. You'll see I've put a negative sign there just so that I can get the correct sign. And I now know that this number must equal that number. So this must become 10%, and this number must change. So we could do it manually, I suppose. I'll put in minus 100, and you'll see that's 3%. So I could do it manually. Or else we could go data, Goalseek. We want that cell over there to become 10%, and it's allowed to change that cell over here. When we say OK, it runs through, and it tells us the correct number is 339, because that's the 3356. 10% of that then correctly gives you the number.